Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson Weathering the Storm in Ersama. In our previous session, we came to know that though his friend family pleaded Prashant to stay a little while longer, Prashant decided to go back to his village. He took the help of sturdy stick in order to locate the road and to determine where the water was most shallow. And he saw two friends of his uncle, and they decided to move forward together. Moving was very risky one, and while they were moving forward, carcasses of animals and human bodies were coming in front of them. They had to push them aside and they had to move forward. And almost he came to conclusion that his family could have not survived in the catastrophe. Now let's continue the lesson. Eventually, Prashant reached his village, Kalikuda. His heart was cold. Where their home once stood, there were only remnants of its roof. Eventually, at last, finally, Prashant reached his village, Kalikuda. The village name is Kalikuda. His heart went cold. Where their home once stood, there were only remnant of its roof. Okay. Where his home once stood, there was only remnant. Remnants mean small remaining quantities or only some remaining parts of the roof left. Some of their belongings were caught, mangled, and twisted in the branches of trees just visible above the dark waters. Some of their belongings, some of their things were caught, mangled. Mangled means disfigured. They lost their shapes and twisted in the branches of trees. They were twisted in the branches of trees just visible above the dark waters. Young Prashant decided to go to Red Cross shelter to look for his family. Then this young man, Prashant, decided to go to Red Cross shelter to look for his family, to search his family. He went to Red Cross shelter. Here Red Cross, an international humanitarian organization that cares for the wounded, sick and homeless. Okay. It is international humanitarian organization that cares for wounded, sick and homeless people. Okay. Particularly when this kind of catastrophe or disasters occur, that time they come to help people. So he went to that shelter to look for his family. Among the first people he saw in the crowd was his maternal grandmother. Weak with hunger, she rushed to him, her hands outstretched, her eyes brimming. It was a miracle. They had long given him up for dead. See, among the first people he saw in the crowd was his maternal grandmother, means mother's mother. Weak with hunger, she was weak with hunger. She rushed to him. She came quickly towards him, her hands outstretched. She outstretched her hands Her eyes brimming. Brimming means filled with tears. It is happy tears. Okay. It was miracle. They had long given him up for dead. It was miracle. Miracle means unbelievable or wonderful event. They had long given him for dead. Actually, how Prashant thought that his family had washed away in the storm. In the same way, Prashant family members also thought that he was dead. Okay. Quickly, word spread and his extended family gathered around him and hugged him tight in relief. Prashant, anxious, scanned the motley battered group. His brother and sister, his uncles and aunts, they all seemed to be there. Quickly, word spread and extended family gathered around him. Rest of his family members, they gathered around him. They hugged him tight in relief. They hugged him tight in relief, a kind of relief feeling they got after seeing Prashant. Prashant anxiously scanned the mortally battered group. Prashant anxiously scanned, saw the mortally means, yeah, it is given in the textbook itself. Disparate, varied in appearance and character. Okay. He saw mortally battered group. Battered means damaged or injured group. His brother and sister, his uncles and aunts, they all seemed to be there. His family members like his brother, sister, uncle, aunts and others are there. By the next morning, he took in the desperate situation in the shelter. He decided to get a grip over himself. By the next morning, he took in or he assessed or judged the desperate, miserable or sad situation in the shelter. He decided to get a grip over himself. He decided to have a grip over himself means he decided to manage the situation by his effort. He sensed a deathly grip setting upon the 2,500 strong crowd in the shelter. He sensed, he understood a deathly grief. Deathly grief means intense grief or sadness settling upon the 2,500 strong crowd in shelter. There were 2,500 people, they were all very sad. There was deathly grief. 86 lives were lost in the village. All the 96 houses had been washed away. See here, because of that storm, 86 lives were lost in the village and 96, all the 96 means all houses had been washed away. It was their fourth day at the shelter and they were all staying in that shelter for 4 days. So far they had survived on green coconuts. They survived on green coconuts. Okay. But there were too few to go round such a tumult of situation. But the number of people was large. So, for everybody, it was not possible to provide coconut. So, they could not live like that for a long time. It was very difficult situation, and that people were in the tumult. Tumult means uproar of disorderly crowd. They were staying there in a disordered crowd. Okay. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.